Okay, for class of alkyl halide, okay, class of alkyl halide, there are 3 classes. Okay, so we have primary, okay, indicated by 1 degree like this. So here we call it primary, and we have secondary, and we have tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, so what is the difference between these 3 classes? Okay, so again, as I mentioned earlier, alpha carbon is the one bearing the halogen group. Okay, alpha carbon is the one bearing halogen group. So this is your X. I just put X. X is the halogen. Okay, so this is alpha carbon. Okay, remember. Okay, again, this is alpha. Okay, so remember alpha carbon, we call it carbon bearing halogen group. Okay, so this alpha carbon, if it is primary, then this alpha carbon has only for primary. It can be either all hydrogen attached for the alpha carbon. Okay, so this is primary. Primary means that all hydrogen attached, or okay, there are two structure for primary. Okay, or this alpha carbon, okay, with X here, it has 1 R group attached. So this is 1 R, alkyl. It can be ethyl, it can be methyl, propyl, pentyl, and so on. It doesn't matter. You have to identify it. Okay, while the other 2 is hydrogen. Okay, remain hydrogen. So only 1 R group attached. Okay, primary, it is either 1 R group attached or all hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon. That's it. So that is the primary. Okay, so whenever you look at the structure, you have to identify whether the class is primary, secondary, or tertiary. Okay, so for the second one, okay, this secondary, okay, so here there's only 1 hydrogen attached. It is simple. You can identify it by looking at the alpha carbon, how many hydrogen attached. If it is only 1 hydrogen attached, then definitely it is secondary. So the remaining is R. Okay, so this is secondary. While for tertiary, the alpha carbon don't have any hydrogen attached. So all of the bond attached with substituent. Okay, so no hydrogen attached at all. So this is 1 H attached. Okay, while tertiary, no hydrogen attached. Okay, no hydrogen attached. So that is how you identify primary, secondary, tertiary. So it's simple. What you need to do, first rule is circle your alpha carbon. And then from that alpha carbon, look how many hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon. If it is only 1, then definitely it is secondary. That is how you identify it. Okay, so we look at example. Okay, Okay, if it is like this, okay, Cl. Okay, now since this is cycloalkyl, okay, so you have to expand the structure. So on this carbon, we have C actually. This is C, okay, like that. So on this C, remember the rules here, carbon must have 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Or maybe if it is double bond, then 1, 2, okay, 3, 4. On this side, okay, on the right side also must be 4. Okay, make sure carbon must have 4 bonds. Carbon, this is the general rules. Okay, must have 4 bonds. 4 bonds. Okay, remember it must have 4 bonds. Okay, for this one, this carbon, okay, look at the bond. 1, 2, 3. So where is another one bond? So it means that that one is invisible H. So we expand it, invisible H, yeah. We don't put the hydrogen, okay, because it is invisible for the cyclic structure. Okay, invisible H. So this is the structure, and the same goes for this one. 1, 2. So how many remaining carbon? Remaining bond, so it should be another 2. So 1, 2. So invisible to H for this carbon, for this side. And how about this side? This is one, the carbon bond attached 1, 2, and another invisible to H. So like this, okay, 2 hydrogen. Whereas for this one, it only has 1 hydrogen. Why? Because another H and another bond attached to Cl. So you have to calculate the number of bonds first. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bonds attached for this carbon. So now, is it primary, secondary, tertiary? Okay, for this specific bond, that for this alpha carbon. Alpha carbon means carbon bearing halogen group. So for this alpha carbon, it has 1 hydrogen attached. 1 hydrogen, as I mentioned earlier, 1 hydrogen means it is secondary. So definitely secondary. Secondary alkyl halide. Okay, simple. So that is how you identify the class of alcohol. So, okay, another example. Okay, even though it looks complicated, for example, like this. Okay, CH3, CH2, Cl, CH2, CH3, for example, CH2. Okay, it looks complicated. Okay, so the first rule is do not give up. Okay, so now what is the first rule in even for naming, for naming IUPAC, naming the common name or the class of alcohol? What you need to do is to identify the where is the alpha carbon. So the alpha carbon, remember the one that are directly attached to halogen. So this is your alpha carbon. Okay, so this is alpha. So circle it first. Okay, now once you already know the alpha carbon, now look at your next bond attached to this alpha carbon. So this is the first, second, so this is it. Okay, the R, this is R, this is not H. And then 3, this is also R. And the fourth bond attached to the alpha carbon is also R. So it means that no hydrogen attached on the alpha carbon. So this is tertiary. Tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, alkyl halide. Okay, that is how you identify the class of alkyl halide. Okay, now next one we look at the preparations of alkyl halide.